In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube Kids on your TV so you can provide a safe and fun viewing experience for your children. Let's get started. Setting up YouTube Kids is simple and ensures your kids have access to age-appropriate content. First, check if your smart TV or streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, supports the YouTube Kids app. If it does, go to the App Store on your device, search for YouTube Kids, and download the app. Once installed, open the app to begin the setup process. When you launch YouTube Kids for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign in with a Google account. Use your own account or create a new one specifically for your child. After signing in, you'll have the option to choose between strict, moderate, or unrestricted content filters. These settings allow you to control the type of videos your child can watch, ensuring a safe environment. You can also set up individual profiles for multiple children, each with customized preferences. If your TV doesn't support the YouTube Kids app directly, you can cast it from a smartphone or tablet. Open the YouTube Kids app on your mobile device, select a video, and tap the cast icon to connect it to your TV. This method works seamlessly with Chromecast or other compatible devices. Finally, take a moment to explore the parental controls within the app. From the Settings menu, you can adjust filters, set a timer for screen time, or block specific videos or channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope setting up YouTube Kids on your TV was easy and straightforward. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.